So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find apartments for sale here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left, press on the search tab. Once that is done, select your location. So I will go ahead and select Edmonton, Alberta for my example. Once you have the selection of the location, go to the top right and press on filters. Once you're on the filters page, make sure that both for sale and residential are selected. Then scroll down to building, then building type, press on that. Scroll down to where it says apartment and then press on apartment. Once that is done, go ahead and press on search results. Once that is done, it's going to be refining your search to apartment listings that are for sale in your selected area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find apartments for sale on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.